Alright guys, I was here doing chapter 4, exercise 5, about cash basis accounting and accrual based accounting, and which one would be the most useful in this decision making. So basically I'll start off. Cash basis method is a method of recording accounting transactions for revenues and expenses, but only when the corresponding cash is received or the payments are actually made. So you only receive the revenue or record it when a customer pays for a billed product or service, and you record a payable only when it is paid by the company, so when the money's gone. Um, Accrual basis is kind of the opposite of that. It's the accounting method where revenues are recognized when they are earned, not when it's received, and same with the expenses. So I'm just going to do this here over on Word and type in the answers. You guys can go along with me. So we're going to start off with the cash basis. We'll start off with the service revenue, which is 24,000. And then we subtract the operating expenses, which is 13,890. And then again, we subtract the insurance expense, which is 3,260. So that comes out to be 6,850. You plug that in under the net income, that's how much we have made. And then for the accrual, type in cash basis. And then for the accrual, we actually start with 31,800 for the service revenue, and we subtract the operating expenses of 17,200. And in that way, there's no insurance expense on that one, so we actually have just subtract that, and it comes out to 14,600 for the accrual basis right here. So for part B, which one would be more useful for the decision maker? In in every case, I guess the accrual basis would be the most effective, or would provide the most useful information for decision makers. Um, so that is the accrual basis. So that's all I got for you. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me, message me on the message board, and I'll be happy to help you out.